Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over an obscure maintenance check item for the Pontiac Fiero. We all know that before we take our cars out to check all the normal items that need checking, tire pressure, oil level, transmission fluid, that type of thing. We know to check all of those fluids. However, because of something that happened to me, I thought, you know what? Let's make a video on this and share this so it doesn't happen to anybody else. So as you're checking over your car, in the military we call it PMCS, Preventive Maintenance Checks and Services. So as you are PMCSing your Fiero, one of the items that you need to check of all the things is the coolant reservoir. And the reason for that, and not necessarily the coolant level. Yes, check that of course. But this video pertains to the reservoir itself and how it attaches to the vehicle. So when I bought my car, it's an 85 SE V6. It had the original coolant tank still in it when I took delivery. And I enjoyed the car about a month or so. However, something happened that I wasn't aware of. The way these tanks mount, there is a nut here and there's a nut there that secures the tank to this bulkhead here. Both of those nuts had backed off, they had loosened up and backed off, and the coolant reservoir tank detached from its mounting and flopped around like a fish out of water. Subsequently, it developed a substantial leak, and I left all this, normally I detail the cars completely, but I left all this residue so you could see it. It started spraying coolant everywhere. Of course, I instantly smelled the coolant, pulled over. It's just blowing coolant everywhere. I'm 30 miles from home. That ride did not end like I hoped that it would. The car did not go back home. It went to the shop. So in your maintenance routine with your car, when you check it over, it would be a good idea as you are checking the coolant level, which we can plainly see. We see the mark indicator, to check the mounting positions here and here. And a huge shout out to the Fiero store. I called them, they had the complete kit, had it in 3 days. Great folks to deal with. If you have a Fiero, highly recommend calling Dean at the Fiero store and they will get you fixed up. So again, this is not a normal maintenance check item on the cars, but I kind of learned the hard way that it is now. So if you have a Fiero, you may want to consider adding this to your maintenance checklist. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm going to be making a lot of educational and entertaining content on the Fiero. Thanks for watching and have a great day.